Good afternoon.
Aram, how did you put Amar? How did you put that virtual background? I can only get these ones. I have to add an image. How do you get that one?
To add an image.
I had to add an image to Google and then do it.
I just got in my own. It shows here. Choose virtual background and then it shows.
I didn't get that.
Guys, we can do that after the session. First, let's focus on what Miss Neelam wants to share with us. Yeah?
Okay. Shall we start? Everybody can see the screen clearly? Everybody can see the screen clearly?
Yeah.
No, it's blank.
Okay.
Neelam, it's blank.
Avni.
See, तुझ्याकडे camera. Why is she saying
Mom.
stop video?
Mom.
Why video?
You can see it?
Ask everybody. To see this.
Can you see me?
No.
No. I guess you have stopped your video.
No. Video
No.
is on. Your camera position is not properly. Your scene is blank. Yeah, now we can see you.
What you can see now?
I think the balcony ka something. We can see Avni. Yeah, now we can see your video also.
Okay. Everybody can see clearly?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So today we are going to have a session on home gardening. So all your information about home gardening will be yours. Avni, you can use the sound. Okay.
Okay.
So the first information, we are going to start with the tulsi plant. How many of you have actually seen the tulsi plant or having it at home?
I
Anybody?
have seen it. I don't have it.
I have it. I have not seen it.
So this is a tulsi plant here. You can see
We can't see.
completely grown. I'll be raising every pot. See, this is the tulsi pot, and this is the almost the height of the plant. Half
I
your
can't
height.
see it.
Yeah, you can see the leaves.
No, I can't.
Can you
You
see
are
the leaves?
lagging.
I can't see it.
You are lagging.
Redmi, someone called Redmi has stopped the video. And Meet has stopped the video. No, it was
So
not.
Meet has stopped his own video. He has not stopped Miss Neelam's video. Neelam, your screen has gone blank.
She might have stopped the. No, if you stop your video, a name comes. Why? Sue's not there today. Message check me. Yeah.
He's lagging a lot.
Rejoin this.
Just happened.
तो डाटा कर डाटा
डाटा भी चल okay? Okay? Can you see me on this?
No.
You can see on this. You can see on this.
You are
Can you
tilted.
see on?
You are tilted.
But you can see it now.
You are tilted. Yes.
Even now?
No.
Now it's okay.
अभी ठीक है?
हाँ अभी ठीक है.
Wait, Neelam, wait. Someone changed name with so Redmi is gonna begin.
Yeah, you need to focus on the Redmi and not Neelam. You need to focus on Redmi.
Now she's lagging again. Now she's lagging again.
डाटा और लगे
Mom back.
वाईफाई कट वाईफाई कट डाटा और लगे
Ada simpan di bawah itu ada lah mah. Kita.
Now is it clear?
Yeah, now it's clear in your phone. I think Neelam, use any one device. Don't use two devices.
Now it's clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Please.
We can't
Can
hear
we start
you.
now?
Yes.
Everybody? Is it good?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we start?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So coming back to the tulsi plant, if you can see these leaves, and next to these leaves, can you see this?
I can't see anything.
Wait.
The flower or something like that.
Yes.
It's not clear.
Can you see the brown color?
Yes.
Now I can.
These are the dried flowers of tulsi plant. Okay. The fresh flowers of tulsi plant is this. Can you see green?
Yes. Yes.
These are the fresh flowers. These are the dry flowers. Now, what is the use of these dry flowers? Anybody?
They will go back to the soil
So
and
why they go back to the soil? What is in this?
to create compost.
No. See, if you remove these,
Put seeds. Seeds.
exactly. If you remove this, and if you just rub it a little, okay, what you can see dots.
Your
On the palm.
bandwidth is low, your network is low.
What you can see on the palm are the seeds. These are the seeds. Okay. Saw the seeds?
Yes.
So these seeds germinate to become new tulsi plants. I have got these small little saplings of tulsi plant that have come in this next pot because of these seeds that fall from the air. The seeds fall from the air and then they germinate in the pots like this. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to transplant this into a proper plant pot so that the plant can grow in. Wherein we can put the fertilizers and the manure. So I'll show you the process in which a plant can be transplanted, shifted from one pot to the other. Okay. So shall we start with that process? Everybody getting it? For this, we need to take a small flower pot. Okay. Generally, you have this kind of holes in the flower pot. If you don't have these holes, you can puncture this hole using a screwdriver or any sharp instrument. Then, what we need to do is, at the bottom of this planter, at the bottom base of this planter, need to add some stones. These kind of stones in it, so that all the water that we put in it is not flowing out suddenly, all of a sudden. Okay. The soil needs to absorb water, and these stones also help the roots to grow well because they keep the air circulating, they keep spaces open inside the soil, and the soil does not get jammed up. So you need to add these kind of little stones and pebbles to the soil when you add the soil. So now we'll do the process of adding soil into this. And we are also going to add a bit of coco peat in it. Okay. So this is a mixture of coco peat. If I can show you this. Here, if you can see it, this is a mixture of coco peat. You get this mixture in the plant stores, nurseries. If you ask them the coco peat, this is made up of crushed coconut parts and some kind of plant nutrient added to it. So this coco peat also can be added to the soil to keep the soil porous so that roots can breathe air and roots can develop properly inside the soil. So we are going to put the soil into it. And we are going to mix the coco peat with it. The coco peat to it. So now, always remember, whenever you are planting a pot, you need to keep 1/4 space empty because later on also you're going to add manure to it or new soil to it. So you can never fill the pot completely when you are doing this. You need to fill it only 3/4. 1/4 you need to keep it empty. Now, going for the plantation of the tulsi plant. So, as you remove this tulsi plant from this pot, just look at it. We should never uproot the plant. Why you should never uproot the plant?
So that the plant does not die.
Yes.
Its roots might break.
Yes. And what I have done is I have already added water to this half an hour back so that the surrounding soil is become soft enough so that when I dig through it, the roots are not damaged. So this is the way I'm going to pick up the plant along with its roots, along with the roots, without damaging the roots. And we should always remember we can transplant these plants only when they are in the baby stage, but not super baby stage, because even that stage they cannot take the shock. As they become little independent, they have some 10 to 15 leaves on them because the photosynthesis process is going on nice in them. Then at that stage, we can transplant them. We can shift them. So that is the correct age at which plants can be shifted so that they don't suffer a shock and they easily adjust to the new pots. So my pot is free and I'm going to put this in to suit the soil. The soil from the old plant is surrounding the root and I'm keeping that soil as it is because the roots are connected to that soil and the plant never gets a shock of coming into a new pot. So the plant in a matter of a week will adjust to the new surrounding and it will grow well in the new. So this is the way we can transplant. No need to push it more, keep it a little soft and keep it a little airy. The plant will take its root and the soil will settle on its own, by its own weight. So this was the first example of transplanting a pot from one sapling. This is called a sapling. We have transplanted. Okay. So any questions regarding this?
No.
Right now, since the soil is moist, I am not even adding water to it. I'll add a little water to it by the evening time. Because right now, if I add water, the roots will be too flooded with water. The soil itself is,
All plants are supposed to be done this way or only tulsi?
no, most of the plants you can transfer like these. Plants which have grown by seeds, after a certain time that they grow a little bit of sapling, we transplant like that. You know, even rice is transplanted. How many of you know that rice?
I have done rice transplanting. My school had taken me for a trip.
Right. So that's the way paddy is
Food
grown.
trip where I done composting and plantation.
Yes, it is always transplanted like that. Now the second example that I'm going to show you. What is this? Which plant is this? Any guesses? What plant can you see?
Rose plant.
Rose plant. किसी ने नहीं देखा है इसको? क्या है ये?
Rose plant.
Very good. ये छोटा रोज है.
Rose.
Small one. I have a big rose plant, and this is my big one. Yeah. So these are the different variety of roses that can be grown. I have a very tiny one also. I'll show you. This. Can you see the leaves? They are so different. This is a moss rose plant. There are flowers coming on this which are very tiny, as much as your 25 paisa coin. So tiny flowers come on it. This is called the moss rose plant. I'll be showing you the picture of these flowers also. Right now my plant is not flowering. And if you see here, the stem is very soft. They literally creeping on the ground, means falling. So this kind of plants we can grow where we have to hang the flower pots. So these are hanging, means, you know, they can fall off like this. They are not sturdy plants. They are soft like herbs or shrub. And these are called the shrubs because they are strong enough. Now, anybody knows how do we grow rose plants? Do they have seeds? Does rose plant have seeds? Anybody seen rose seeds?
No, you cut the plant and then transplant it.
Yes. This plant is grown by what we call it the branch cutting. It is propagated by cutting the part of a plant. Now, as I said, this is the China rose, which is a small size rose. I have one to show you. This rose. Yeah, this is a big rose. I have shown you the flower also on it. Can you see the flower? Yeah. Next to the flower, can you see these leaves? What is the color of these leaves? They are not green. Can you see the leaves here?
Yes. Color.
Thoda reddish है ना? Pinkish reddish color. So they are the new shoots. They are baby leaves. ये इसका growth point है. यहाँ से ये grow हुआ है. इस branch पे देखो. Here also it's a new growth point. These growth points are called the nodes.
Yes.
What are the growth points called? They are called the nodes. From the nodes, you have the new leaves or the new flowers that come up. This is another sample rose plant of mine. इसमें rose है already. I have to bend it a little to show you. ये इसका rose है. Here also there is a rose grown here. Okay. Now in this plant, in the case of my small little plant here, can you see there is an offshoot growing? That means यहाँ से new branch is going to start. From this point, new branch is going to start. So there is no use of cutting this part of the plant because it is growing from here. When I want to transplant or I want to propagate this, मुझे इसका new variety grow करना है, मुझे ऐसा उसका part ढूंढना पड़ेगा जहाँ से अभी right now कोई growth नहीं हो रहा है. So मैंने इस plant में successfully ढूंढा है. This rose, it's already become dull. पुराना हो चुका है एंड इसका जो ब्रांच है इसमें कोई न्यू शूट इज नॉट कमिंग. There is no new shoot coming in this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cutting of this plant and I'll show you how to transplant this. We can use this kind of cutters we get. People who do usual gardening, they have these kind of tools. If we don't have these kind of tools at home, we can use a big scissor that we have. Normally, everybody has scissors. So the scissor. Where exactly you have to cut. The branch has to be strong enough, big enough. बहुत ही पतला जो ऊपर वाला branches है इसको भी cut करके it's of no use. The branch has to be old enough, which we select for cutting. And as I said, the new shoots, the growing points, if they've already started growing, there is no use of cutting it. Let it grow where it's growing nice. So this is the branch that I'm going to cut using the cutter.
Awesome.
And always remember, when you're cutting this kind of branches, it should not be a straight cut. It has to be a cross cut, slanting. Once you cut it, it has to cut at a slant point.
Why?
I'll tell you why. A slant point, because different layers of the different tissues of the plant are exposed when they are cut at the slant point, and it allows maximum rooting process to start faster, the slant cut. And where at the original place also, in the original plant also, the slant cut helps it to propagate new branches from the cut point also. So that is the two reasons. The cut point helps the growth of the roots as well as the growth of the new shoot. Now, this branch that I have selected, as I said, there was no new growth in it, but it is very important that it should have growth point. जो मैंने बोला था nodes. अगर आप इस stick को ध्यान से देखें, यहाँ पे node है. This is the first node. Then this part shows you the second node. This is a node. And there is a third node. Right? जहाँ पे ये branch already grow हो चुका है. So this is my fourth node. So this piece of stick that I have selected actually has 4 nodes on it. That means roots can come out from this place, and this place. Now when I plant this in the soil, what I'm going to do is I have to make sure that at least 2 or 3 points or 3 points go under the soil and another 2 and 3 points remain out of the soil. Reason, these 3 points from here, out of 3, at least 2 points will definitely give out the root system. And the upper aerial, whatever 3 points I'm leaving in the air up here, will give out new branches. And this will help this plant to grow faster and stronger. So I'll now show you how to transplant this into the soil.
But how does the plant know that from this new node you have to grow? Yeah, it has to grow root, and from the other one it has to grow a branch.
See, nodes are the growth points. Means the epithelial tissues there are supposed to grow new cells. That is the duty of the node itself. Now what happens is the nodes which are under the soil, what they get is only the nutrition. They get water. They'll not get sunlight at all. The nodes will go under the soil. They will not get sunlight. And because they will not get sunlight, there is an automated system. Plants are intelligent enough, only that they don't create sound. But they are intelligent beings. They can talk to each other and they have their own chemical processes. Though they don't have brain, but they have chemical processes in their body which make them intelligent. So what happens is the plant starts judging that these nodes which are inside the soil, since they are not getting the sunlight, they are supposed to grow the root system. And the nodes which are outside the soil, since they are getting the sunlight, the air, okay, the chlorophyll there starts developing and it develops into shoot system. All the cutting plants which are cut like this and grown, they grow by this route. Okay, so there is an automated process in the plant which helps it to decide where to grow the roots and where to give out the shoots. Okay. This is my camera. Okay, now can you see the pot? The pot is ready here. Again, the soil has been again made put by the same process. There are holes under the base. There have been pebbles and rocks added to the soil. Nutrients, manure has been added to the soil, and also coco peat has been added to the soil. The soil has been made soft. The full soil has been made soft, okay, by adding water to it long back. Now, this stem that we have taken, remember, 2 to 3 nodes have to go inside the soil. So, there it goes. And now if I wanted to use this flower to make some things, I could have cut this flower because this flower is of no use to the plant. But since this flower is grown too old, I'm going to leave it on this plant itself. Now, can anybody tell me how to judge whether this plant is growing or not? Because now for at least 2 weeks, I'm not going to see any change in this plant. ये जैसा है ऐसा ही दिखेगा.
It won't dry up. It won't dry.
Right. I'll show you another one which has dried. But that will happen at the end of 2 weeks. So we have to be very patient and not fidget with the plant till the leaves are green. Till the leaves are green, not to touch it, not to fidget it, just regular water it and have lot of patience, because what we have inserted inside the soil are only the nodes. They will take time to grow. And do not place it in extreme sunlight, moderate light, because its growth period, it is not going to take strong sunlight. Okay, we leave it like this. If at the end of 2 weeks your plant turns like this, that means it's of no use. It has not grown. But if you see in this pot, if you can see in this pot, there is this stem cutting that I have inserted. A table cut. There is this stem cutting that I had inserted. From the same plant I had cut it and I just inserted it next to it because this is a huge pot. So this is growing. The leaves are green. That means it is first going to grow the root system. New leaves don't start coming fast. It takes over a month. It takes over a month to first grow the root system. The roots will grow very well. Only then the shoot will start growing. So the priority of the plant is to grow its roots very well. And that day what Dilip uncle had said, आपका plant बाहर से जितना ऊंचा है, आपका plant का growth bottom में roots में भी उतना deep है. तो जो plants का potential, मतलब these the creepers kind of thing, they don't grow much in height. So these I can grow in these kind of small छोटा pots में grow कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जो बड़ा plants होता है, okay, the plants which have potential to grow really big. So make sure कि आप उनको जब pot करते हैं तो उनको pot भी ऐसे containers में कर सकते हैं which are big enough so that the roots grow very well. जितना उसका root अच्छा grow करेगा उतना आपका plant बड़ा होगा. ठीक है. Another example I had to show you. This is a variety of lilies. Lilies ये bunches में आती है. ये अभी इसमें flowers नहीं है. But these are the place where these flowers grow. इसका आपको root देखना. See the roots of it. Can you see the root part?
Yeah, it looks like ginger.
Exactly. You see this portion, it's growing out of root. Means ये plant ऐसा है कि if I put only one in this pot, after a year I will have so many, because the root itself gives out new plants. The new plants grow from the root. So now if I want to regrow this in another pot, मुझे मेरे friend को अगर gift करना है same चीज, तो what I can do is मैं इसको यहाँ से काट सकती हूँ. अगर मैंने इसको root को इतना कट कर दिया, इस मेन प्लांट को कुछ नहीं होगा. यहाँ से इसको काट के I can put it in another plant, another pot, and वहाँ पे वो अच्छा से grow कर सकता है. So these are the roots. Now I'll show you roots और ट्यूबर जो होता है. ये रूट्स होते हैं और ट्यूबर्स होते हैं. इनको रीप्लांट कैसे किया जाता है? Before going to the tubers, there is one magic to show you. Can you see this plant? किसी को पता है ये प्लांट क्या है? And what is this growing out of?
This is ajwain.
Wrong. अजवाइन वाला हार गया. Lost. Another try. Don't try to name the plant, लेकिन ऐसे टाइप का आपने कुछ और देखा है आपकी स्कूल की बुक में? Especially the grown-up kids.
What is it?
नहीं पता? I'm going to pick up something and show you. Can you see? थोड़ा डिटेक्टिव गिरी यूज करो, like CID. क्या है ये? Can you see? It is growing out of a leaf. Did you see? Huh?
I have a similar plant in my book. It shows that plants can grow out of its leaves also.
Kalpapudi.
And its own roots. If you cut the root, it will grow again.
This is a leaf propagation. Example of this that comes in the book is Bryophyllum. This is not Bryophyllum. This is another plant. This plant particularly is a medicinal plant. इसका इंडियन नेम है पानफुटी, मतलब पत्ते से फूटने वाला. Means it grows out of the leaf. These leaves of these plants are used to cure kidney stones.
There's this other plant which has, it's like, there's this other plant which has like a cornstalk or something. It's white at the, it has a flower, it's white at the bottom and then it gets purple. Its roots, if you crush it and drink it, it cures kidney stone.
Yes. So, if you can see the design, this leaf has zigzag pattern.
Yes.
So, at every corner of this zigzag pattern, there are nodes. And at every corner, there is a possibility of a plant to grow. So, from that node, from that notch, the root comes out and the upper part of the plant. So, slowly this leaf will decompose, but one leaf can give rise to 2 to 3 plants. So this is leaf, example of a leaf propagation. Okay. So let me put it back to its place. It was nicely growing. I disturbed it. Okay. Now, anybody knows what this plant is?
I've seen it many times, but I don't know the name.
इसका नाम है spider plant. because इसका ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे like a spider thing, it grow. So ये spider plant है. This is indoor plant. Indoor plant in the sense आप इसको
It doesn't need too much sunlight.
yes, too much sunlight it does not need. But I experimented with the plant. Honestly, in the nurseries and also online, they will show you a lot of plants as indoor plants, and we bought these as indoor plants. I kept it indoors also for a long time, and what I noticed is I have one more plant. Even this plant that you can see, even this was bought from the nursery. They mentioned it that this is indoor plant. Even here, even this was given to us as an indoor plant. But let's be frank and let me tell you what the observation is. These indoor plants, definitely they don't die when you keep them indoors. But I observed it 1 month, 1 month completely indoor with very little or no sunlight. And then I kept it 1 month outside in normal sunlight. What I noticed is the growth of the plant was really very well. It was enjoying itself when it was out. So my advice is keep indoor plants, but you know, on a special occasions or when guest is coming or just one week में 2 या 3 बार उनको indoor रखो. अगर indoor plants रखना है तो ऐसे छोटे pots में रखो, so that you can just place it at least 4 days in a week. You need to give them sunlight because they really grow well when you have put them in sunlight. Their growth is affected when you really keep them completely indoor.
Miss, I need to use the washroom. Can I use it?
Okay. So now, this spider plant, ये कैसे grow करता है? You need to again take a close look at the root system of it. Can you see something at this root? Small bulbs.
Yeah.
These are nodules. And I have got, means when I got this plant, there was only one little bunch. Now I have got 3-4 bunches. Means just like that root plant we just showed you growing out of it. तो ये भी अपने आप अंदर nodules बन के ये बहुत कुछ spread हो चुका है. And my cousin liked it. So I had to gift one part of it to her. And that's why I am going to transplant a part of this into a new planter so that I can gift her the same sapling. So how I'm going to remove this and transplant it, check that out. Again, for this plant also, I had made sure that these plants are moist so that when I'm digging them out, they don't suffer much. And I'm not harming the other roots which are surrounding them. I can remove only the part of the plant which I want to take out. So, this is the plant that I have removed out successfully. बहुत सारा leaves है. एक completely developed root system है इसका. ये nodules है. Can you see the nodules, everybody? आपको nodules दिखा? The white color का दाना kind of thing. These bags. These are the tubers. Okay. So when we replant this kind of plant in the soil, we have to make sure that these tubers go under the soil. The plant will remain here and the tubers need to go under the soil. So again, my another planter is ready. Again, the same process. Planter में hole होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा स्टोन्स डालिए, पेबल्स मिक्स कीजिए सॉइल में, कोकोपीट मिक्स करना है. And here is the planter. Now why I took this kind of planter? Because I realized कि ये तो root से grow होगा. So even if I plant it here, ये अपने आप पूरा spread हो जाएगा.
Amar plus or plus A. Sorry, or plus V.
Yeah.
Meet plus or plus V.
I didn't get you. Somebody asking me anything?
No, I'm telling the others that they have stopped their videos.
Okay.
I'm telling them to press Alt plus V, that will get them back.
Okay. So again, coming back, this is our third sample in which we had the tubers, and we are seeing how the रूट से ग्रो होने वाला प्लांट या ट्यूबर से ग्रो होने वाला प्लांट को हम ट्रांसप्लांट कैसे करते हैं, प्रोपगेट कैसे करते हैं. तो इसको फिर से हम वैसे ही, हमारा प्लांटर रेडी है. थोड़ा कोकोपीट हमने डाला, एंड देन वी आर फिक्सिंग इट इन द सॉइल. So here you go. This is the ready thing. So this 3 examples you saw. Stem cutting का आपने देखा, root cutting nodules का आपने देखा, leaf cutting का आपने देखा, and seed से जो ग्रो होता है उसको ट्रांसप्लांट कैसे करते हैं वो आपने देखा. So now we have learned how to grow plants. अभी ये तो ग्रो कर दिया, उसके बाद क्या करना होता है? You have to water plants every day. Every 2 weeks. 2 weeks में at least एक बार you have to spend time with your plants. अभी for that you don't have to give any reasons. ये क्लास है, वो क्लास है, हम busy है, homework है, project है, exam है. At least every 2 weeks आपको 1 hour निकालना है. You have to sit around your plants. You have to look at your plants. You can talk to them because the plants are going to respond to you. And very important is you have to clean your plants. Plants में clean क्या करते हैं? So plants, because ये indoor plants है, हमारे pots में grow होते हैं, तो you have to make sure, you always have to check the reverse of the plant. Sometimes there are moths, insects, or some kind of worms, ticks that can affect the plant. So in that case, if your plant is affected, what you can do is, I'll show you one example. This is the adenium plant that I had. Some of the leaves have really become old. But what I noticed yesterday in one of my plant ka leaf, I'll show you. It's infected. See the other leaves? You can see the other leaves, they are so smooth. But see this particular leaf. I'm going to remove it and show you. See this particular leaf. Can you see the dotted line on it? Everybody saw the dots on it? Yeah. So these dots which are on it, ये natural नहीं है. These are the कीड़ास. आप समझ में आया आपको? ये जो plant है, ये इसका normal growth है. But when you see something which is abnormal, जो आपके plant पे regularly नहीं design दिखती है, कुछ भी अलग सा दिखता है, so you have to understand कि ये आपके plant का infection है. अब ऐसा infected part जब आपके plant पे होता है, so first very important thing is जो infected part है उसको निकाल दो. The plant does not get harmed by it because this infection will spread to the other parts. So the moment you see this, you have to remove this. ठीक है? Then on the reverse, always on the reverse, you have to check. Because the reverse side many a times do not get proper sunlight. And that is the growth point of the insects or any kind of infection to the plant. So hamesha always you have to check the reverse. If all these leaves got infected, I would have chopped off.
Mom!
Okay, because to save the plant, you have to remove the infected part. I'll show you one example. I had tried putting medicine also in this. It was a fully grown plant. काफी old था, ये 2 साल पुराना old plant है. And suddenly the leaves started getting infected. I treated it with medicine for some time, but it did not help. So I had the choice, either I throw this whole pot away, but then I thought, since it's my old plant, the roots must have developed very well. Let me give it a try. What I did is, if you can see the plant, I chopped off all the branches because only the branches were affected. What I did is, I chopped off all the branches and this dry branches, whatever remained, every alternate day, I'm spraying the medicine which is available to me. I'm spraying it on it. And in 2 weeks, what I realized is the plant is giving out new leaves. Why this happened? Because as I said, this is an old plant. The root systems are very well developed. I removed all the branches. So for a week, it was not doing photosynthesis. Because उसके पास कोई लीफ ही नहीं था, मैंने सब लीव्स निकाल दिए थे, सब ब्रांचेस उसके निकाल दिए थे. सिर्फ ये ऐसे एक मेन ब्रांच रखा था जिसपे ग्रोथ पॉइंट है, 1-2 ब्रांच ही रखा था, लीव्स वाला सब कुछ मैंने निकाल दिया. तो ये प्लांट डाई क्यों नहीं हुआ? कैन एनीबॉडी आंसर दैट? एनीबॉडी?
Because the roots were strong.
It had stored enough food within itself.
Exactly.
Because the roots were strong.
And they had also stored food in them. Okay. So the way our body stores fats, and अपन लोग उपवास करते हैं ना, we do fasting for some days, so we don't die. हमारा weight reduce हो जाता है, लेकिन हम मरते नहीं हैं. वैसे ही I was watering the plant. Okay. तो because उसके रूट ने फूड स्टोर किया हुआ था, ये पुराना प्लांट था, तो उसका रूट सिस्टम वेल डेवलप्ड था, तो वो डाई नहीं हुआ. And it helped me to help it, and it's regrowing. So plants have a very great potential. They grow throughout their life and they grow, उनका growth points बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Means any part of their body, if it is cut, it can regrow itself. ठीक है? So the plant is regrowing. If you can see, it's growing leaves down here, it's growing leaf here. So this is the way you have to take care of your plant. Another plant I want to show you, which also grows by stems. Very beautiful, very delicate plant. This is called the purple heart. ये इतना सुंदर दिखता है, इसका फ्लावर्स वायलेट कलर का होता है, बहुत डेलिकेट होता है. एंड इसको ग्रो करना इतना इजी है कि इसका कोई भी स्टेम का पार्ट है, इसको सिर्फ आप फिंगर से ऐसे निकालो और कोई भी दूसरे प्लांट में पॉट में डाल दो, इट विल ग्रो. वेरी सिंपल टू ग्रो. ओके. And this is one of the very important indoor plants. It is called the snake plant.
I know this plant. It gives you oxygen at night and
It purifies the air. It absorbs most of the toxins, the indoor toxins. इसका एक बहुत अजीब नाम भी है, my mother-in-law's tongue, because it is very long. So
What is a Ajeeb naam?
ajeeb hai na? And even this grows by the root. Yeah, when I got it from the nursery, I had got only this one piece. लेकिन प्लांट अभी आपने देखा, ये इसका बेबी प्लांट है, ये रूट से ही डेवलप होके न्यू प्लांट आया है. बट अलोंग साइड आप देखो इस प्लांट में कुछ अननेसेसरी चीजें भी आ गई है. These sometimes the seeds come by air and all that. This is the weeds. Weeds means now if I let this in this plant, what will happen is some of the nutrition of my plant, the main plant, will be used by this.
The
plant.
weed will eat up.
The weed will eat up. So we have to also do weeding of our plants. Means ये जो weed है, जो unnecessary plant है, इसको हमें निकालना ही पड़ेगा. We are sorry for it, but then we can't help. We will have to weed it out. We don't need this plant, so we will have to remove it so that the main plant grows very well. Okay, and manure मतलब fertilizers आपको डालना है तो nurseries में some packets are available which once a month, twice a month आप dilute करके use कर सकते हैं. पर अगर in lockdown now,
this plant?
this one,
Yes.
this is the snake plant. The snake plant, and it is also called the my mother-in-law's tongue. This purifies the air by absorbing the toxins inside the room. So it's a closed room and office. And suppose we go out for a month also, this plant can survive without water even for over a month. So even for a month, don't give water to it, it will live. उसका कोई problem नहीं होगा. Okay. Then अगर लॉकडाउन में आपको बाहर जाने की चांस नहीं है, you don't have a chance to go out, and आपको इसमें मैन्योर आपके प्लांट में डालना है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Bananas, if we are eating, any other fruit that we are eating, or the vegetable, stalks and all that we got. Two ways of doing it. Either we can grind it in the mixture and make it into a thin slurry, and that can be added to our pots. Mosquito nahi hota hai. Otherwise, cut very small pieces with the scissor and dig the soil a bit and bury that in the surrounding soil. Don't dig at the roots. In the surrounding soil, we just bury those vegetable parts, and what happens is your that converts into manure inside the pot, and the plant will get nutrition. So if you are not able to physically go and buy manure for your plant, all the the wet waste that we create in our house, the kitchen garbage, that can be converted into manure at just a local level. Now, the last thing that I'm going to show you, in many societies, it is very important that as we grow plants, this is our hobby or our liking. But in many societies, they don't allow to grow plants. Two reasons: mosquito problem. So to avoid mosquito problem, you have to make sure that if you are keeping a plate under the plant, आपके plant का pot है, उसके नीचे जो plate है, the plate should not contain a lot of water, because if the water remains there for a long time, the mosquito will come and breed in it, which will not only cause problem to you but also to others. Lot of disease spread by mosquitoes. So आपको plant potting इस तरह से करनी है कि कहीं पर भी extra excess water collect नहीं होता है. And otherwise आप ऐसे plant grow कर सकते हैं जिस pot में, for example मनी प्लांट ऐसा प्लांट है जिसका एक्सेस वाटर अगर रूट में होता है तो वो मनी प्लांट डैमेज नहीं होता. आई हैव अ मनी प्लांट जिसका कंटेनर को मैंने होल नहीं किया था. आई हैव नॉट मेड एनी होल, ओनली डायरेक्ट इन द कंटेनर आई हैव पुट द सॉइल एंड माय मनी प्लांट इज ग्रोइंग इन इट. And because of the what happens is, because there is no hole in the container, the water does not go out, so there is no problem of water leakage. So in societies where water leakage is not permitted, or there is, the balconies are not in that kind of situations, the color of the walls can be damaged and all that, then you have two choices. First thing, grow these kind of plants which do not need pots to be hold. Without hold also वो plant survive कर सकता है inside the soil. तो वैसे plant grow कर सकते हैं. दूसरा चीज जो है, अब self watering आपको planters मिलते भी हैं. You can buy self watering planters. But what I saw was self watering planters के size काफी छोटी होती है, very small, because they are, you know, specially made for, I think, keeping on the work tables, desktops and all. But right now I'm going to show you a demonstration of making a self watering planter. उसका मतलब है कि वो पानी जो है वो आपके प्लांट से बाहर ही नहीं जाएगा, मींस आपके पॉट से बाहर नहीं जाएगा.
मतलब डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के पहले ना मेरे को इनको क्विज करना था कि जितने लोग सो रहे हैं वो लोग जाग जाए.
हाँ,
कुछ बच्चे सो रहे हैं, मुझे क्विज करना ताकि मुझे सबका एक तो शक्ल नहीं दिख रहा. निवान, मीत और रेडमी, तीन लोग का शक्ल नहीं दिख रहा. पहले तो शक्ल दिखाओ तुम लोग. ओके, अभी मैं क्विज करूंगा. ये निवान.
You have to press Alt plus A to get Alt plus V to get out of that thing.
No, Nivan is, I think, sleeping. He's just put on the
Background.
Zoom and then he's gone to sleep. Okay, सवाल ये है कि फॉरेस्ट में प्लांट को पानी कौन देता है? रेन तो साल में 2 महीने.
Moss contains water in
Wait.
itself.
I will ask specific people. Aram, फॉरेस्ट को वाटर कौन देता है फॉरेस्ट में प्लांट को? बिकॉज रेन तो खाली 2 या 3 महीने आएगा, पर बाकी 8 महीना 9 महीना क्या करता है प्लांट?
Roots of the water.
हाँ, जोर से बोलो.
Roots water को सोक करता है, तो वाटर रूट्स के अंदर रहता है. उसके बाद फिर जब रेन होता है तभी फिर से सोक करके दैट इज द प्रोसेस.
The trees hold water in themselves.
Okay, Nivan, I can't see you. Nivan and me.
Mama ji,
Press Alt plus play
the
whoever.
roots of the water. The roots of the water.
Where is Nivan? I can't see him since many times. He's gone for like from 1 hour. He's not come on the screen.
He's gone to sleep.
That is why they get entire year water.
Yeah, who else can add something? The forest में प्लांट को पानी कौन देता है?
The moss and lichen and all of that, they store water in themselves, and
Okay.
when they dry up, like
Okay.
the water, it goes back into the soil sometimes.
Dilip uncle, I have one.
Sorry.
I think the plant takes the water, it soaks the water, and then it gives the water in the forest.
Okay, so if there is no water, suppose there is very less water and it is, you know, this time of the year, April, बारिश होके तो 6 महीने हो गए, अभी पानी भी नहीं है, जमीन में भी पानी नहीं है, रूट्स में भी पानी नहीं है, तो प्लांट क्या करेगा? पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो फॉरेस्ट में?
Die. What else?
Who said it die?
Plants
No, plants and trees don't die in forest. They rarely die. They still survive. What do they do?
Then I don't know. They might be drinking.
They store it in themselves. The roots store a lot of water.
Right. I think what somebody is saying, I think Aram is saying, they shed their leaves. So when they shed their leaves, the need for water is reducing a lot. So two things happen when they shed their leaves. एक तो पानी का जरूरत कम पड़ जाता है because अभी photosynthesis energy generate में पानी नहीं जाता है. दूसरा, जब shed leaves ground पे गिरता है, वो ground को cover कर लेता है. तो ground से जो moisture evaporate होता है, वो होना बंद हो जाता है. So shed leaves के 2 फायदे हैं. एक, पानी का जरूरत कम पड़ जाएगा, और दूसरा जो ground में पानी है वो evaporate नहीं होगा. तो 2 in 1 काम हो जाता है by shedding the leaves. That is how plants are able to sustain in a longer time. Okay, second question.
Where is Nivan?
Arey, wherever it is doesn't matter. I'll send
He's gone to sleep.
you his photograph later. I'll send you his photograph later.
He's gone to sleep.
Okay, next question. कि कौन से प्लांट का रूट कितना बड़ा है कैसे पता चलता है? जब मैं बोलूंगा कौन आंसर करेगा? Okay, Arjun, you answer. which plant has, how do you know कि कौन से plant का कौन से tree का roots कितना बड़ा है?
Oh, the size above
हाँ,
from the root, from the soil.
The foliage of the however big the foliage of
How long the upper body is, that long the roots are. How long the upper body is?
however big the foliage of the plant is, that big and long the roots are.
yes. So if the canopy of a plant is say small like a coconut tree, then the root is also small. It's not spread out much. But for a peepal tree जहाँ पे canopy इतना बड़ा है तो उसका root system भी इतना बड़ा होगा.
If the banyan tree, like a banyan tree, the roots, the branches, and
Okay. अभी root के related एक question पूछता हूँ. I bet किसी को इसका आंसर नहीं पता है. कोई भी ट्री को पानी कहाँ देना होता है?
उसके edges
yeah, what?
कोई भी ट्री को सपोज ये ट्री का ट्रंक है, तो ट्री को ये ट्री का ट्रंक का एंड है और ये ट्री का टॉप है, तो पानी ट्री को कहाँ देना होता है? ट्रंक के बाजू में देना होता है, दूर देना होता है, बहुत दूर देना
ट्रंक
होता
के
है.
दूर,
दूध देना होता है, दूध देना होता है।
कितना
ट्रंक के थोड़े
कितना दूर?
Roots को
Trunk
देखो.
थोड़े दूर, trunk के
कितना दूर?
थोड़े दूर.
The roots.
कितना
That's
दूर?
why till how the canopy is.
उसका कैनोपी को देख के थोड़ा सा दूर करने का.
यस, ट्री का कैनोपी जिधर खत्म होता है वहां पे उसको पानी देगा. मतलब अगर ये ट्री का कैनोपी इतना है तो पानी तुम इधर देगा रूट पे. आर यू एबल टू सी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes.
सो ओके, मीत वांट्स टू आंसर. मीत बोलो.
No, thank you.
ओके, तो ट्री का कैनोपी जितना बड़ा होएगा रूट्स वहां तक होंगे. और रूट्स एक्ट्स लाइक स्ट्रॉ. दे आर लाइक स्ट्रॉ. So we have to give water at the end of the straw, not near the base of the tree, because base of the tree में पानी देंगे ना तो प्लांट के अंदर जाते नहीं है. बट एंड ऑफ द रूट देना है पानी, तो उससे दो फायदे होते हैं. एक तो एंड ऑफ द रूट देंगे तो स्ट्रॉ की तरह पानी खींचेगा. दूसरा, प्लांट का रूट्स और फैलेगा बिकॉज द रूट्स विल गो फर्दर डाउन और फर्दर वाइड in search of water. So that way you can give less water and the roots become strengthened. Roots get strengthened when we give water at the edges of the canopy. Okay, अभी एक और क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. बहुत हो गया आज के लिए.
पूछो चलेगा.
पूछू? ओके,
हाँ.
अभी थोड़ा टफ वाला पूछता हूँ.
विंटर में प्लांट्स उगते क्यों नहीं?
मल्चिंग क्या होता है? कौन बताएगा? निवान. निवान, व्हाट इज मल्चिंग?
Mul what? Mul what?
Mulching, M-U-L-C-H-I-N-G, mulching. What is mulching? M-U-L-C-H-I-N-G.
Another class at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll close in next 2 minutes. I know you don't know the answer, na?
Does it mean spores?
Okay. So mulching is a process. हम लोग ज्यादा पानी देते हैं ना प्लांट के लिए, बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता है. सो मल्चिंग इज अ प्रोसेस, जो मैंने पहले बोला था, लीव्स को अगर कवर कर देंगे ग्राउंड पे तो इवेपोरेट नहीं होगा सॉइल का पानी. उस प्रोसेस को मल्चिंग बोलते हैं. टू कवर द सॉइल और द ग्राउंड with some biodegradable substance is called mulching. That helps plant not to evaporate. That helps soil to retain water. Okay, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. इसका जो भी आंसर देगा ना उसको मैं 5 स्टार अभी का भी घर पे देने को आऊंगा. लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो राइट आंसर देगा उसको मैं अभी का भी 5 स्टार घर पे देने को आऊंगा. और मैं बोलूंगा कौन आंसर देगा. ओके, 1 by 1, कोई भी बीच में आंसर नहीं बोलेगा. सपोज खरबूजा है, वाटरमेलन है. Okay, watermelon. Watermelon का weight is 1 kilo. Okay, if watermelon का weight is 1 kilo, how much of that weight is coming due to the soil? Because plant grow करने में क्या क्या चलता है? Soil चाहिए, water चाहिए, air चाहिए, sunlight चाहिए. 4 चीज चाहिए प्लांट को ग्रो करने में. Soil, water, air and sunlight. तो अभी ये जो वाटरमेलन है, अगर 1 kg का वाटरमेलन है, उसका वेट 1 kg में से कितना kg सॉइल के कारण आ रहा है? इज इट 600 ग्राम, इज इट 700 ग्राम, इज इट 100 ग्राम, इज इट 900 ग्राम? 1 किलो वाटरमेलन में कितना वेट सॉइल के कारण आ रहा है? 400. ओके, नेक्स्ट निवान, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
600 grams.
600 ग्राम. अमर?
200.
400 ग्राम. ओके, एनीबॉडी एल्स? अवनी?
Actually 500.
700.
700 ग्राम.
800.
ओके, मी?
1 gram.
800.
600.
सो अगर एक वाटरमेलन या कोई भी फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल अगर 1 kg का होता है तो सॉइल
800 ग्राम
0%.
now I'll
0%.
now I will tell the answer
Doesn't come.
and
It
nobody
doesn't
gets 5 star because किसने राइट आंसर नहीं दिया, नहीं तो मैं एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन में 5 स्टार देने को आता था। 1 किलो का प्लांट में
0%.
अरे shut your mouth 1 kg of watermelon का वजन में only 10 or 15% of the weight comes from soil. Only 10 or 15%, मतलब only 100 to 150 gram of mass of a watermelon comes from soil. The rest 800 grams come from nowhere. It comes from water, it comes from air, it comes from sunlight. Only 100 to 150 grams. Sorry?
You gave us wrong hints. You started at 400 grams, 500 grams. So we said, no, इतना तो होगा.
नहीं तो हमको जनरली लगता है कि soil is contributing to plant, but soil is contributing only 10 to 15% of the weight of the fruit or vegetable. The rest is all contributed by everything else. इसका मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था लास्ट ईयर। हम लोग अट्ठाई करते हैं ना, तो अगर अट्ठाई में नहीं खाते तो जिंदा रहते हैं। अगर तुम लोग अच्छे से पानी पियो, अच्छे से ऑक्सीजन लो और अच्छे से सनलाइट लो, तो विदाउट खाना बहुत लंबे टाइम तक जिंदा रह सकते हैं। तो बॉडी अपने बॉडी को भी फूड खाली 25-30% चाहिए, बाकी सारे नेचुरल एलिमेंट्स जाएंगे ना, वी कैन सर्वाइव लॉन्गर।
True.
Okay, so with this, I think my quiz is over. वो वाला क्विज बाकी है, 5 चैप्टर जो पढ़ के करना है, तो वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में 5 चैप्टर का बैलेंस जो क्विज है ना, अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम वो सारे 10 चैप्टर्स का मिला के क्विज करेंगे। नीलम, you want to add something before we close?
I have a homework for them.
Okay, give.
So what they are supposed to do for my homework is listen all the kids. We in India worship lot of different deities using some plant, either the leaf or the flower. For example, Derasar में चंदन use होता है. Chandan comes from the sandal tree wood, right? Yes. So like that, lot of deities are worshipped, some using the flower or some part of the plant. Now my homework for you is, देखो, tulsi and chandan is not allowed. These two things are not allowed, okay? No tulsi and no chandan. You are supposed to find out some unique plant which is worshipped for some deity, used for the worship of some deity, but I want to know the medical properties of that plant. The medical importance or the Ayurvedic importance, or how beneficial that plant or any part of that plant is for our body. For example, tulsi का सबको पता है ना, tulsi leaves are used for cough and air purification and all these kind of sort of things.
Yes, madam.
But I said, no, you cannot use tulsi and you cannot use chandan. Other than these two, you can search for it, find for it. I want the most unique answers coming from you. So that's the homework. Okay?
Any questions you want to ask?
Sure?
Sure? Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.